Maritime UK is the umbrella body for the maritime sector, bringing together the shipping, ports, services, engineering and leisure marine industries. Supporting over 1 million jobs and adding 46 billion annually to our economy, Maritime is responsible for facilitating 95% of UK global trade, worth over £500 billion per year, making a greater contribution to the UK economy than rail and air combined. The UK maritime workforce is 42% more productive than the average UK worker, and they are the enablers of British global trade and exports of innovative products and services. With cutting-edge technology, high-quality design and manufacturing, unparalleled expertise in services and major investment opportunities, the UK is the natural home for global maritime business. On the peninsula of the southwest is Cornwall, with a coastline stretching around 400 miles and no one in the county more than 20 miles from the sea. It comes as no surprise, therefore, that the local marine industry plays such an important role in economic development and well-being through our coastal communities. The people of Cornwall have depended upon the sea for centuries. The coastline, sea and waterways have long been recognised as a unique part of the county's cultural and historical heritage. Cornwall's marine sector has more than 800 businesses, which together employ more than 15,000 people and contribute more than £1 billion to Cornwall's GDP. More than 40% of Cornwall's marine businesses are based at the port of Falmouth, making it the beating heart at the centre of the Cornwall marine economy. With an authentic working port and a personality shaped by the sea, Falmouth has kept its economy buoyant during calm and turbulent times, largely thanks to thriving marine industries, which work in collaboration with each other and other business sectors across the town. The Port of Falmouth hosts more than 300 mostly small and micro businesses, employing more than 6,000 people across a very diverse range of marine industries, including boat builders, mariners, ferries, water sports centres, marine component manufacturers, super yachts, ship repairs, and a growing offshore renewable energy supply chain. So it's no wonder that business and community leaders are keen to ensure this vital industry is given all the support it deserves. Cornwall Marine Network, the Falmouth Business Improvement District and Cornwall Chamber of Commerce have supported the local business sectors through various funding initiatives. Cornwall Marine Network operates from its Falmouth base and was created as a not-for-profit business support service which now has nearly 400 marine members. In the last 16 years, CMN has competitively won more than 45 million of public sector project funds, and by deploying skills, marketing, productivity and innovation support has enabled the creation of more than 3,300 new jobs, including more than 1,400 apprenticeships, and placed more than 800 local unemployed people into jobs, collectively adding £450 million of value to Cornwall's economy. At the heart of the Port of Falmouth are businesses developing some of the most innovative marine technology and renewable energy projects in the UK and beyond. A&P Falmouth, part of the global ship repair, conversion and marine specialist A&P Group, is one of the largest ship repair complexes in the UK, providing capacity for vessels up to 100,000 tonnes, and a renowned centre of excellence for ferries, mobilisation and demobilisation works, jack-ups, pontoons and tankers, and provides a complete range of marine repair services from its on-site engineering, electrical, paint and fabrication workshops. A&P's specialist defence business is also based at A&P Falmouth and provides support to the Royal Fleet Auxiliary whilst they're on deployment in many G7 and G10 countries with the help of its dedicated in-service support team. This team provides extensive ship repair and fabrication services to the Royal Navy, Royal Fleet Auxiliary, the Tier 1 supply chain and overseas navies, and has delivered more than 200 refits, maintenance periods and conversions for the governments of the UK, Australia, Bangladesh, Brazil and Lithuania. A&P Falmouth is superbly located to support renewable energy activities off the southwest coast of England. The vision is to help make Falmouth a prime hub for the floating offshore wind sector, offering fabrication, construction, maintenance, ports and marine services to developers and service companies. The combination of extensive skills, port facilities, fabrication and engineering capabilities and marine service facilities make A&P an ideal partner for developers and contractors in the emerging offshore market. Falmouth is renowned globally as the UK's Atlantic gateway. For centuries, Falmouth Harbour has been a major economic driver of Cornwall's economy. Moving forward, Falmouth Harbour Commission has to ensure vibrant commercial port services are sustained, but with a new approach to the environment at the heart of a new, positive blue growth plan, the ocean as a carbon solution. Falmouth will attract new opportunities from future marine technologies such as flow, carbon capture, future shipping and inbound tourism, including cruise, energy and future fuels. Falmouth created Sir Ben Ainslie, one of the greatest Olympians of all time. To support the leisure and water sports industry, Falmouth Harbour will provide world-leading facilities and provide access to one of the best global sailing and water sports environments. To deliver this ambition, we'll need government investment for new infrastructure to attract new investors and operators and deliver long-term levelling up benefits that will be embedded in Cornwall's economy. Waves for Power are world leaders in green energy solutions from ocean waves. Working with industrial partners, Waves for Power deployed their full-scale prototype Wavy L-buoy at the Rundi site in Norway in 2016. This demonstrated total proof of concept and survivability of the device for 12,000 hours between February 2016 and November 2017, including 14-metre storm waves and 4,000 hours of full-scale system grid-connected functional testing. The Wavy L-buoy is the first wave energy device in the world to successfully connect to a national grid and produce electricity for several months. The development of the Waves for Power next generation device is happening. Working with partners using a new composite structure and increased power takeoff, Waves for Power are building towards the installation of commercial wave power arrays in Cornwall and Scotland in 2023. Cornwall's modern and classic boat building creates beautiful bespoke boats for a discerning local, national and international clientele and marks its 25th anniversary in business this year. With a global reputation for building head-turning super yacht tenders for multi-million-pound motherships, the company is also the proud originator of the award-winning Dutchy motor launches range. In 2020, Cornwall acquired the assets of Hardy Marine, an equally respected brand of all-weather, all-location motor yachts, to expand its portfolio. The company combines traditional craftsmanship with technological innovation, modern materials and ingenious design to deliver unique vessels to precise specifications that push the boundaries of the possible. Workfloat is an innovative folding workboat conceived and built in Falmouth. Winner of the European Commercial Marine Awards, the vessel folds up to tow behind a 4x4 or ship in a standard shipping container. Workfloat is self-propelled, can cruise at 6 knots with a 50-mile range, has a crane, deck winch and all the safety equipment needed to operate commercially. Designed to provide a useful floating platform where other vessels can't reach, the company is now building its first commercial order and is targeting markets with marine contractors, disaster relief and humanitarian aid, military and the film industry. KML are marine contractors based at their own dedicated wharves in Falmouth. They own a unique fleet of specialist barges, floating cranes, robotic underwater vehicles, tugs, multicats and landing craft, which operate across the UK and Europe. KML crews and engineers plan and execute projects at sea in marine and subsea construction, heavy lift, decommissioning, salvage and specialist cargo. KML serve renewable energy customers, national and regional authorities, sea defence and other large coastal asset owners, and Tier 1 international contractors. KML supported construction and installation of the UK's first tidal energy device, including the world's first decommissioning of a commercial-scale tidal stream energy generator. KML's team continue to innovate in many areas of the blue economy. Veritech Global is an advanced engineering and technology company based near Falmouth. With clients in over 40 countries, Veritech designs and manufactures high-tech equipment and systems, as well as providing full project support and consultancy. Veritech has a strong track record in marine engineering and marine surveying, creating world-leading geotechnical survey equipment designed for the harshest of sea environments. Veritech's new £3 million advanced manufacturing facility will be one of the largest facilities of its kind in the UK and the only Southwest manufacturing facility to offer product design, machining, fabrication, embedded software, electrical, electronic, hydraulics and 3D printing all on one site. The investment aims to make the most of the emerging opportunities in floating offshore wind in the Celtic Sea. At the cutting edge of innovation, Veritech is also developing the world's first autonomous vehicle for geotechnical surveys, with sea trials expected this year. TugDock has invented and holds a patent on the world's first road transportable modular floating dry dock. This is a solution to the where and how to build dilemma seen in the floating offshore wind sector, as there are only a handful of dry docks or quaysides worldwide capable of building these immense structures. Limited port space and water depth are common problems, which TugDock will overcome. TugDock is a key local supply chain company supporting Cornwall's ambition for clean energy through floating wind installed in the Celtic Sea. TugDock will design and build the gigantic floating platforms needed to assemble and launch floating wind turbines as quickly and straightforwardly as possible. Rustler Yachts, based in Falmouth, build a range of beautiful yachts from 24 to 57 feet. From their modern, purpose-built factory, Rustler produce cruising yachts that are not only beautiful, but are carefully designed and crafted to take their owners wherever they choose, in comfort and safety. Rustler Yachts have a global reputation for being some of the best cruising yachts built anywhere in the world. Continually investing in new products to suit ever-evolving markets, Rustler will be soon announcing their first ever motor yacht. Myla Yacht Harbour is a contemporary marina and working boatyard providing a full complement of services afloat and ashore. 200 years ago, in the great days of sail, Myla was England's smallest naval dockyard in one of the world's most strategic ports. With consistent investment through the last 20 years, it is now one of the Southwest's busiest boatyards and marinas. The company continues to invest in skills development through its own apprenticeship scheme and ongoing work with local schools and colleges to promote careers within the marine sector for young people in the Southwest and beyond. As testament to this commitment, Myla is embarking on a project that will see a new generation of GRP Sunbeam sailing yachts to be finished in Falmouth by the next generation of boat builders. Hydrowing Limited is a tidal technology developer based in Penryn. Hydrowing technology has been designed from the lessons learnt through 15 years' unrivaled experience, which has seen the Hydrowing team responsible for installing 60% of Europe's total tidal energy capacity. The team has an inherent understanding of the challenges operating in some of the most dynamic and energetic sea environments on the planet, with Hydrowing being a proven design to overcome these challenges and bridge the gap to renewable energy commerciality for the sector. Hydrowing is a seabed-mounted frame on which multiple retrievable wing-like structures are placed, with the wings housing multiple small-diameter tidal turbines. The wings are staggered horizontally and vertically, creating lift and flow corridors, maximising energy capture whilst ensuring safe, fast response and uniquely involving low-cost maintenance compared to other tidal energy devices. Falmouth is a dynamic, working port with a purpose. Whether our businesses are working in seas far away from Cornwall or in our own home waters, we're intensely proud of that special Cornish maritime magic, inherited and built on from past generations and driving forward into the UK's international maritime future.